Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this easy keto chicken with vodka sauce. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to make a really simple but really flavorful chicken recipe with a keto-friendly vodka sauce. It is so good, so easy, and it would be great to serve with, for like a dinner party or something, or just on any weeknight. We're going to start with 4 chicken breast cutlets. And what a cutlet is a chicken breast that's been cut in half lengthwise to make it thinner. So we're going to season our cutlets with salt, pepper, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to do that on both sides. Okay, now we're going to cook our chicken in this heavy bottom big skillet with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. We're going to cook them over about medium to medium high heat just till they're cooked through. They need to come up to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit for the internal temperature. Okay, our chicken is looking good on this side. Let's flip it to the other side. And you can see, since we are patient, we had our pan nicely oiled. The chicken just flips so easily in the skillet. So now we'll wait patiently for the other side to cook, and then we're going to remove them from the pan and do our vodka sauce. Okay, we're checking our chicken with the meat thermometer. This is our last piece, and it is finally up to temperature. This one was thicker than the other ones. So I've removed my chicken from the pan. I'm going to set it aside on this plate. Yes, that was the plate that I used before, but I washed it. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of butter to the same skillet and 1/2 cup of diced onion. Our skillet's pretty hot, and this was frozen onions, so they're probably going to cook pretty fast. You want to cook them for a few minutes until they are soft and translucent. I'm also making sure to scrape my skillet to get all of the nice brown pieces from the chicken off the bottom of the pan. Okay, our onions are looking good, so it's time for the vodka. It's not a vodka sauce if you're not adding vodka. So we're going to add 1/2 cup, and we're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, our onions and vodka is like caramely and looking so good. So let's finish this up. We've got a 24-ounce jar of Rayos marinara. It is by far my favorite. It's so good, good quality ingredients and not any added sugar. And we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. And look at this glorious mixture. We're gonna let this cook for just a few minutes just to heat the marinara sauce and the cream. And while that was cooking, I cut up my chicken breast. So I'm gonna lay that on top. Now, how good does that look? Let me get a little bite with some sauce, piece of chicken. So good. This will be really good served with zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash or just vegetables. It doesn't matter. But this is out of this world. Be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.